3 days back. And today, some unexpected work has come up. You want to attend some unexpected work, then you have to inform to the doctor in advance whenever you go in as early as possible. But if you do not inform, then what happens? Some loss can be occurred, then your work will not be completed the next time. So that at the moment when you need to cancel an appointment, contact the other person with whom you have got the appointment as early as possible. Next, can call to cancel your appointment personally if you are giving short notice. Okay. If it is possible to cancel that appointment, then you can mail, or if it is possible to cancel that appointment by writing the text, you can do that, or sometimes you can meet personally also, or if it is possible to convey that information by making that phone call, then you have to follow any other method by which you can feel more comfort. The other person also get accurate information. That method you have to follow for cancelling your appointment. Next, then we fixed an appointment. It is confirmed. The other person can wait. He can keep all his works aside. Will be ready to have meeting with us. Yes or no? So the other person has spent some time. But at the moment when we cancelled our appointment, then we have to reflect our sincere apology. We have to beg his pardon. We have to express our sadness as we are unable to attend on the day after fixing an appointment. That means we have to offer a sincere apology. And when we offer a sincere apology, what happens? The other person can never find fault with us. And the other person can be pleased for offering a sincere apology. So this is the formal rules of that manner. Offering the sincere apology after cancelling an appointment. This you can express by making a call, by writing the text, by sending the mail, or in personal, depending on the situation and the matter. Next, after if you want to cancel that appointment, then you have to say in brief what is the cause to cancel that appointment. For example, there is an operation with the doctor. You want to get the operation for your parents or your relatives. For that, you fixed an appointment. And on the day, then you need to go to some other area, some other place. Then the appointment should be cancelled. For cancelling that appointment, we have to give a valid, a strong reason. If the reason is not valid or the strong, then some havoc can be created. If it is valid or appropriate cause for cancelling that appointment, then nobody can take negative about it. So that we have to explain briefly why you cannot attend, what is the reason to cancel that appointment. That is also very, very important. Now, here, let us see some for cancelling an appointment. What type of the language that we have to use for cancelling an appointment? So these are some expressions are used in both formal and informal. Let us see that in informal how it would be, informal how it would be. First, let us see that. So this is Jane Doe speaking. I am calling about an appointment with doctor. Name tapu paddadanana. House are next Tuesday at 10. Good morning. Is it possible to cancel or postpone or push back my appointment? See that. We are seeking the permission to cancel an appointment. Good morning. Is it possible to cancel my appointment? I am afraid I must postpone or cancel my appointment. I am afraid I have another meeting. Sorry, could I reschedule my appointment? And you see that what type of the language, the sentence structure is used, that is very important in fixing and cancelling an appointment. After using this sentence, then you can go for giving the valid reason. What is the reason to cancel that appointment? Using this type of the language is very, very important. It reflects our mannerism, our attitude, our behavior towards the other person. Okay, that is very important. Learning that language. If you want to fix that appointment, how we should be. If you want to cancel an appointment, how we should be. What type of the language that we have to use, that we can learn. It comes under speaking skills or communication skills. Next, for cancelling an appointment, then we can go for this expression. I'm sorry, I have an emergency. So what is the reason? What you want to go on explaining about it, that you have to go on saying. Next, or other expressions for cancelling an appointment. Well, I'm sorry, I can't make it to the appointment. I have already appointment fixed. We are saying that I am unable to. I cannot make it the appointment. I can't attend. I can't attend. I hope it doesn't inconvenience you too much. See, that is another kind of expression. I hope it doesn't inconvenience you too much. Something has come up. Could you please reschedule my appointment? See that what type of the language, how it is given. Express to reschedule that opportunity due to unforeseen business and unexpected work, I will be unable to keep tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow afternoon, one appointment, unexpected work, it is not possible. Or if you want to cancel that appointment, then how we can use? See that unfortunately, due to unforeseen business and unexpected work, I will be unable to keep our appointment for tomorrow afternoon. Would it be possible to arrange another time later in the week? See that for rescheduling that appointment. I am afraid that I have to cancel our meeting on Wednesday as something unexpected has come up. See that something unexpected work has. So that here he wants to cancel that fixed appointment. How it is given? I am afraid that I have to cancel our meeting on Wednesday as something unexpected has come up. You know, we are going to meet next Friday. Well, I am very sorry, but something unexpected has come up. I am afraid. Here afraid means doesn't mean I have the fear. This is the word is used to express our sadness. I am afraid that I am not going to be able to meet you after all. Can we fix another time? Focus how the language is. How many type of expressions are there to cancel that appointment, to make reschedule that appointment, and see that we have to focus on that. Would you be free to meet early next week? Would you be free to meet early next week? Here, if you want to suggest another date, after, if you, with the intention, it is not possible to attend on that day after fixing an appointment. So because of unexpected, is my voice clear? Can anyone confirm it, please?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే చాలాసేపు అసలు మీ దగ్గర నుంచి ఎటువంటి రెస్పాన్స్ లేపేసరికి ఐఎమ్ అఫ్రైడ్ దట్ ద నెట్వర్క్ కనెక్షన్ ఈస్ కట్ ఆఫ్. సో ఐఎమ్ అఫ్రైడ్ అంటే ఫియర్ కాదు, ఇక్కడ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెసింగ్ మై ఫీలింగ్ అన్నట్టు. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ద సజెస్టెడ్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కన్వీనియంట్ ఫర్ యూ, it is important to decline and suggest an alternative time. Okay, for example, you want to meet you want to have, you fixed your appointment with the important person. It is not possible to meet on that day. Then immediately we can go for an alternative date. Yes or no? For appointment. In that case, how we can proceed? Here some examples are given. I am afraid I have got another meeting. Tuesday seems to be a little difficult. And then the other person can give another alternative time for fixing an appointment.
Yes,
or
sir.
you can take a chance. Next, another expression. I would prefer to meet on Friday. Is that okay? So these are some of expressions for fixing our appointment an alternative time, alternative day. Okay. Now let us see some more expressions for alternative time for fixing appointment. Is next Monday convenient for you? How about Tuesday? Could you be free? Are you free or available in an hour? Are you available on Monday? Are you available on next Monday? Are you free on Tuesday? Are you free next Tuesday? Can we meet on Wednesday? Would next Sunday be okay? What about next Friday? Is next Saturday okay? Would Friday suit you and possible to you or not? Is next Monday convenient for you? See that here you can notice there are some yes or no questions are there. Are you available? Are you free? Is next Saturday okay? So these are yes or no type questions are used informal or casual communication. So when informal casual communication can take place with whom? With your friends, with your relatives, with your close one. But other than these contexts, we use modal verbs can, will, shall, could do, and may. It reflects the degree of politeness towards the other person. So that be careful when you are fixing or cancelling that appointment with a very, very important person. Do not use yes or no type questions. Instead of that, you have to use the modal verbs. Can I? Could you? May I? Will you? Like that. Now, let us see that some informal. When you want to have communication with your close one, the relatives, with the friends, family members. Now let us see that how we can use some expressions are given. Something has just cropped up, coming up on us. I am awfully sorry. Someone speaking, I am calling to cancel my 5 o'clock appointment with Mr. Deepak tomorrow. Please inform. I am calling to cancel my 5 o'clock appointment with Mr. Deepak tomorrow. Please. Sorry, I can't go out with you tomorrow. I would prefer to meet on Friday if that is possible. How about Friday at 11? Is it convenient for you? Would that suit you? That sounds great. Good. That would be perfect. So these are some of expressions that we can use for cancelling an appointment informal. Okay, now let us see some dialogue. So, as we discussed today, sometimes we can fix an appointment with a very important person. So, when we fix an appointment, then whatever the matter that we want to discuss in detail, it is possible. After fixing an appointment, then we can meet them personally. Now let us see that regarding to that, there is a dialogue between two persons to fix an appointment with the municipal commissioner. What is the concept here? Because of some irregular water supply is there in your locality, or the quality of that water is not appropriate, it is not fit for that drinking. In that case, you want to convey that information, you want to discuss.
देखा मैं काटता हूँ
समस्या नहीं ना बच्चे अरे एक बार मैं बोलता बाबा बोल रहे सुबह में लिखा होता समझ में आता क्या मुझे ना कुछ तो क्या कर रहा था